Facebook remarketing success stories. Maple Bear Brazil. Maple Bear Brazil is an international school system that provides bilingual education in English and Portuguese. Its aim was to cut down costs per lead by 30% without disrupting precision. By using the Facebook Pixel, they were able to create custom audiences based on region, age, interests, and people with school-aged children. They also used lookalike audiences in order to reach the right people. This successful campaign brought them 3 times more leads, minimized cost per acquisition at 2x, and got a 40% reduction in cost per lead as well. Entel. Entel is a telecommunications company that has been offering internet and phone connections in Peru and Chile since 2014. They wanted to skyrocket their phone sales by running a 2-for-1 promotion on mobile phones. They decided to use custom audiences in order to show the ads to people who previously showed interest to switch their actual phone company or get another mobile phone. To achieve this goal, they ran a Facebook campaign that showed 5 images of a 2-for-1 phone promotion, targeting people in Peru aged between 18 and 65 only. Thanks to this customized campaign, they were able to generate an 8% uplift in sales in the devices for the 2-for-1 promotion and a 2.8% increase for other devices as well. Procter & Gamble and Magazine Luiza. P&G is a consumer brand that sells family care products, while Magazine Luiza runs more than 900 stores in Brazil. Both the giants wanted to increase their sales, so they opted for a collaborative ad on Facebook to target people for brand awareness and easy conversions. They also used the Facebook Pixel and custom audiences for this. The collaboration did wonders, as P&G yielded a 5.2x higher return on ads for both Pampers and Gillette products, and Magazine Luiza enjoyed higher returns as well. Sicredi. Sicredi is a financial institution that deals in offering business products and services. The company came up with a promotional banner, Together in Russia, that portrayed a partnership between Sicredi and Visa so as to entice people to spend on the credit cards and increase memberships. By using the custom audiences and lookalike audiences, they ran a campaign on Facebook which offered a chance to win a weekly draw with amazing prizes such as TVs, soccer balls, travel packages, etc., to people who spent 120 reais on their credit card. This campaign got them 33,000 new registrations, an 11% bump in Visa card usage, 42% Facebook conversions, and 60% Facebook conversions from video ads. Moe's Burger. This one is a Japanese fast food restaurant that wanted to increase its sales and audience using Facebook video ads. To achieve this by using custom audiences, their ad agency Allied Architects ran a Facebook video campaign that targeted users between 20 to 39 who were out of bounds from the traditional media. The campaign gained immense success, as the video view count reached 1.52 million, and about 930,000 people reacted to the video ads. There was a total of 1.3x increment in sales too. Tripaneer. This holiday planning agency hails from Amsterdam and is considered to be one of the most successful ones in the business. It had an aim to bring more people to their website and make them book trips. They created a custom audience of people who had viewed specific trips. Then they ran a campaign that showed yoga training holidays and packages in the local currency of the user's country. This was a unique approach and really attracted a lot of travel enthusiasts. Moreover, it got them 26% more conversions, a 32% cost reduction, and 29% more return on an ad. ProNet Security Service. This company has been providing commercial and residential security services since '95. It wanted to increase leads, but at the same time lower the cost per lead. They ran a brand awareness campaign on Facebook, in which they used their CRM data to target Turkish people between 24 and 55 on factors such as active passive alarm use, demographics, lifetime value, etc. The videos answered the customers' concerns, while the video and retargeted lead ads targeted the products and services. This campaign got them a 10% sales increase, 32% cost reduction, 71% higher conversion rate, and a 77% increase in sales appointments as well. Netshoes. Netshoes started off with selling shoes at physical stores, and it took them only 5 years to switch to an e-commerce platform. Its goal was to boost the monthly sales of November, taking advantage of Black Friday. The creative team came up with an intuitive Facebook campaign that showed dynamic ads and videos with a Black November logo to attract users above 18 who scrolled through the newsfeed. They used custom audiences, the Facebook pixel, and app event optimization in the app. The campaign helped them bag 24.5% more sales, a 14-point increment in ad recall, 6-point brand growth, and a 5-point recognition boost in sports products. Flow Motion. Flow Motion is known for offering smartphone stabilizers, which is a 3-axis outdoor tech. The brand's goal was to increase website orders in a time period of 50 days. They ran a campaign on Facebook which targeted European and North American users who had already made a visit to the Flow Motion website but bounced without purchasing anything. Hence, they made a 45-second video that showcased the technical capabilities of Flow Motion products to increase conversions. The campaign was successful and managed to score 6x returns on Facebook ads and campaign ads separately, and a 2x increment in sales too. Blue to Purple. It's a digital agency that operates in Belgium and serves many startups and businesses. Its goal was to increase brand awareness when Auto 5, a Belgian auto center, sought help from Blue Purple to aid them in improving their position and increase sales of various products including bike racks, boxes, roof bars, etc. After creating a custom audience of quality prospective customers, Blue to Purple ran a campaign on Facebook to raise Auto 5's exposure as a brand by showcasing their summer products through targeted videos and posts to the relevant audience. This 7-week campaign was successful in generating a 16x return on ad remarketing, a 5.8x on ad spend, and a 9.9-point increment in brand awareness.